A large number of educated and uneducated people remain without job. Most of them, I hope you all are well. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. It is a great chance for me to say something in front of you. Today, my topics about the major problem of Bangladesh. The topic is called unemployment problem of Bangladesh. I will be pleased if you pay attention to listen me. We know Bangladesh is a small country, but it has a huge population. It has a large problem, but unemployment problem is one of them. Every year, a lot of students graduate from school, college, university, but most of them, a large number of educated and uneducated people remain without job, which create pressure on economy and society. The unemployment problem is a serious problem in our country. First of all, a lack of more industries, factories, mills, and electronic modern technology is one of the main causes of unemployment problem. Besides, our population growth is very high, so our government cannot provide a lot of job every year. And rural people also suffer from this problem because our agriculture cannot provide a lot of work every year throughout it. As a result, a lot of people migrate to cities, which increase our poverty, crime, unrest, and etc. To solve this problem, our government should build more mills, factory, and industries. A vocational training should be given to our young generation so that our young generation can become self-employment. And our government should invest to start small business, entrepreneurship, and foreign investment to create a new job opportunities. And we should proper use our natural resource like gas, fisheries, and agriculture. I believe that one day build a development nation in the world. If effectively steps are taken, Bangladesh will be reduce unemployment problem. So thank you very much for being with me. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.